Hey guys, Johnny with RV SWAT. Well, it's official. I am transporting RVs. So I went to work for a company called Synergy RV Transport. And well, as you can see behind me back here, I'm not towing anything right now. That's because I just dropped one off. So I've completed my first load. I didn't record anything with the first load, orientation, none of that. I wanted to get through orientation, get my first load done, make sure everything went, smooth. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do and all that, so I didn't want to mess with the camera. But now that we got the first load dropped off, I am on my way back to Indiana to pick up another load, so I figured I'd turn the camera on and talk to you guys a little bit. So anyway, I got to Indiana last week to get all the work done on the truck, get everything outfitted and ready to go. We got a weight distribution hitch put on, got an auxiliary fuel tank put in, toolbox, mud flaps, all kinds of stuff, things that the company requires you to have on the truck to work for them. Well, they don't require the toolbox and the auxiliary tank, but we'll get into more of that later while we have those. The only thing I don't have on the truck yet is a fifth wheel hitch, which I will have in right after Thanksgiving. It's ordered and I will have it installed right after Thanksgiving, so that way I can tow our fifth wheel and I can tow some fifth wheels transporting. So if anyone is interested in RV transporting, you can reach out to me at fulltimervswat@gmail.com or our YouTube channel, Facebook. Y'all know how to get in touch with us. If you have any questions about it, you can get in touch with us anyway. Or comment below. Put your questions below. I'll answer them. All right, but like I was saying, if you're interested in this and you actually want to get started in it, then there's bunches of companies out there. I went with Synergy Transport. If you're interested in Synergy Transport, you can check out their website, synergyrvtransport.com, and you can actually apply right there on the website. And then if you apply, you can put me down as a reference, and put me down as a reference on the application online. And then also when you go to do your paperwork and orientation, all that, you can put me down as a reference. Good night's sleep last night at the truck stop, a shower, got on the road this morning, made it to the office, got some paperwork done, picked up paperwork for this load actually, and as you can see behind me, we are hooked up. We are transporting it's a 31-foot Keystone hideout, I think it is. And it is going to New York, dealership in Bath, New York. So I didn't get to show you guys actually picking the unit up because it's been snowy and rainy all day today. So whenever I was hooking up in the yard, it was snowing pretty heavy. So I was trying to just get it done, get on the road. So yeah, so far so good. Even though it's wet and messy. We're gonna try to get this one delivered tomorrow. I'll stop tonight, sleep at the truck stop tonight, get me a shower in the morning, get this one delivered and see if we can get home for Thanksgiving. Delivering our unit today. I just got off the phone with the dealership. I'll be there in about an hour and we'll get this one delivered. Also, I found out, so I bought the E-Pass, remember, but I bought the E-Pass in Indiana, so as I'm going through Indiana, E-Pass is working fine. And when I get to Ohio, E-Pass isn't working, and I get a toll thing, and then I had to stop and pay cash at 2 tolls. To come to find out, I asked the lady, I'm like, is my E-Pass not working here? And come to find, long story short, it takes 24 to 48 hours for it to get into the system to work everywhere that accepts E-Pass. Anyway, like I said, I'm still learning, figuring all this out, but we'll get it figured out eventually. But so far, it's I'm having a good time doing this. I mean, this is my second run. First run was about 1,000 miles to Louisiana. This one's about a 500-mile run to New York. And the job's easy. I mean, the hardest thing about the job is being away from Tracy, to be honest. I mean, that's the hardest part. I mean, I meet some guys and some drivers out here that they say, you know, they like that part, you know, get some time away from the wife, and I'm just not that guy. I enjoy being with Tracy. Well, we like being together 24/7, so that's the hardest part of this, but we're, you know, gotta do what we gotta do, and we're gonna use this job to make some money and pay off some of this debt we just got with old Jenny and Forrest. So, alright guys, the weather cleared up. I was able to stop, and I'm about 30 minutes before my delivery. We're supposed to stop about 30 minutes before and do a final walk around of the unit. Make sure no damage happened while it was in our possession. So we'll see. Old Jenny's pretty dirty. She's gonna need a bath. And there's Synergy RV Transport. That's who we're transporting for. And we are transporting a 31-foot Keystone hideout. So everything's still hooked up good. No damage, no wears. And I'm just basically just scanning, looking over everything, make sure there's no damage, no wears. These things are so flimsy, man. All right, awning looks good, door looks good, tires are in good shape. All right, looks like we didn't cause any damage, so we can get back on the road and go get this thing delivered. Good morning, everyone. I am currently in Virginia. I stopped last night at a truck stop, got me a good hot shower, good night's sleep, and we're on the road this morning heading home, and we're gonna make it home today. Today is Tuesday, so making it home. Plenty of time for Thanksgiving. Yeah, that was it. Everything it's run on the road. I've been on the road a couple weeks. First week of that was getting my truck ready and orientation, all that stuff. So far so good. I'm enjoying the job, but ready to get home and see Tracy and Gadget. Miss them. So that's about all, guys, for this trip. I'm gonna go enjoy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving as well. And if you want to follow along on these RV transport adventures, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. So like I said previously, I plan on doing more detailed videos on this RV transporting stuff. This is just my first run out, so I didn't focus too much on videos, but I'm gonna go home, enjoy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys have a good Thanksgiving, and I will see y'all after the holidays. And also after the holidays, I'm moving Tracy and the RV to Arizona, so stay tuned for that also. Then I'll get back on the road doing some transporting. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. I'll see you after the holidays.